This is the cutest vacuum I have ever seen, and it truly is compact. It's something you can bring with you everywhere, and it's got incredible power. It is from Duck. It is the Gold Edition portable cordless vacuum. You are getting free shipping and handling on this. You've probably seen it everywhere online. I know I have. It should be $59.99 at that retail value, but you are getting it for $39.98 today. 3 easy payments of $13.33 to get it home. It is versatile. It is efficient. Use this for the hard to reach areas, the car, you name it. I'm going to welcome in my friend Megan Elizabeth. She brings us all of the latest and greatest.
Hi.
Hello, you look so cute in your
Thank
heart
you.
sweater.
You know, a little love today
Bring it a little
for the
love.
duck. We love the duck.
Wait, I love the duck. This is truly, maybe I would start cleaning if I had something that was this cute.
Well, you know, the thing is, my kids now clean because it is something this cute. This is for those everyday messes that really just are, we have them. We don't always want to pull out that big, heavy vacuum cleaner. Maybe
Right.
we are using that once a day. But are you taking that out to your car? Are you taking that to those hard to reach places? Are you able to get underneath the stove and the oven and the refrigerator and inside the refrigerator and all those crazy places? Well, the duck is your answer. Not only is she adorable,
Yeah.
she's also very, very powerful.
I love it.
And she's rechargeable even in your car as well. So we're going to give you all the accessories, we're going to give you the charging cable, and you're going to get to work on all of those messes that are in our everyday life, whether it's those extra crumbs of the, kids having some chips out on the sofa where they shouldn't be.
Yeah, or the kids or me.
Right, well, yes, me too. Or, it's those condiments that spill or those spices that spill across the counter and are just causing little messes on our counter. This is that quick, easy, go-to solution to pick up those life's little messes.
It is so cute. It's accessible. This
Yes.
is something you can use, bring it with you everywhere. Free shipping and handling on this. Should be $59.99 at retail. You were getting it for $39.99. Now, let me quickly just show you what you're getting with this.
Let's do it.
Because you were getting the duck vacuum,
Yep.
but you were also getting the hose. You are getting this precision nozzle right here, and then this brush, which is going to act as almost like a duster too.
Yeah, get in those hard to reach places, do a little bit of lifting, maybe if it's on a mat or something along those lines. I'll show you on my keyboard in a minute, but there's so many different ways to
and you
use
get that
as well.
charging cable, you get the bag, keep this.
Yes.
I mean, I actually just was thinking, I hope my dad's not watching. I've been really having trouble keeping my car clean, and it's a point of contention my entire life. But this would be great to just have in the car.
Yes.
Get those, because I am someone who eats in the car
I
sometimes.
do too. We all do. We live in our car. We have to.
We're a little
I mean,
busy.
we're on the go, especially if you have kids. I know you're not there yet.
Yeah,
But it's
no.
okay. I have 4 of them. My car's always a mess. My husband's always like, stop the kids from eating in the car. And I'm like, yeah, okay, that's reality.
You don't have to stop them. You just need the duck.
Now you need the duck because she fits in your glove box. She fits in those side compartments. You can see here, I have her next to my favorite tumbler. She's smaller than that.
Wow.
So you really have a lot of diversity. And because we're giving you that charging cable, you can charge her in the car too. So you don't have to take her in and out of the house. But then these attachments are so great. So we have the extension hose, but then we can also add on the crevice tool. So that crevice tool is going to get in between seats or in those hard to reach places and in between cushions. And then we have that brush that you were talking about as well, John. So I'm going to use the brush just to go and get my my
The
keyboard
glitter on the keyboard.
cleaned off, right? So whether it's dust or it's a little bit of extra sparkle, because I'm Megan Elizabeth and I like to leave a little bit of sparkle wherever I go. We just
The
get
glitter
in
on the
there.
keyboard sounds like a Taylor Swift song.
I mean,
That would be coming out soon.
it may be. So just get in there and get her all cleaned up. But then, you're really able to have a ton of power with her as well. So if I want to go in there and clean up the kids' craft messes, look at how the duck is just pulling the mess right to it. I don't have to go crazy chasing after things. It's pulling the mess right on in and getting every last little bit of sparkle and every last little bit of glitter, and I just can go back over. And then when I want to clean, when I'm ready to empty it out, I'm just gonna grab my trash bag. It's super, super simple. She has some lines on the top. I just give her a little twist. That's all I have to do. There's a HEPA filter inside, so I pull that out and just dump it all right on in to that wastebasket, clean it out, and we're good to go cleaning up those messes all over again. Just line up those lines, give her a twist,
It's
we're
so
back to it.
impressive because you just cleaned up a substantial amount.
Yes.
And it all went into this little container. It really does pack that huge punch. For
Yeah.
$39.98, you're getting that portable clean with you everywhere you go. 3 easy payments of $13.33. Take advantage of this while you can, because at retail value, we're talking close to $60. You are also saving not only on that price, but you're saving with the free shipping and handling with this as well to try it out.
Yes, absolutely. And I love that you're getting all the attachments, because you can get a lot of, handheld vacuums out on the marketplace.
Yeah.
But how often are you getting things like that crevice tool to get in those hard to reach places, or that extension hose? And how fun are most of those?
Oh no!
Right?
I mean, this is
so
the most
fun and so cute.
This is the most adorable vacuum I've definitely ever seen.
Exactly.
It truly is. This is a way to get the whole family cleaning. Pick up one for everyone in the family so they can all have their own duck
Absolutely.
and clean up. But this is something that truly, the fact that it is portable, the fact that you can bring this with you and get that portable clean, or even use this for places like the fridge
Yes.
where you've got crumbs that have fallen down. It is just a way to get that all over clean. And when our spaces are clean, we find more serenity, I feel.
Absolutely.
I'm
Right.
like, I did a deep clean last night because I was like, I need to find some peace of mind. But you have those harder to reach areas sometimes that you can't get into.
That's right. That's right. So giving you that attachment tool, so they all stack on top of each other. So we have that extension hose. You're going to attach the crevice tool to the extension hose. You're going to attach your brush to that crevice tool. That's how they all come together. But you can use them individually as well. And you're just going to stick it right into the nozzle. No, wait, what do we call a duck beak? Is it a beak?
I think it's a bill.
A duck bill.
Jen
That's
just told us
correct.
upstairs
Hi,
it is a
thank
bill.
you. Appreciate it, because I should know my duck anatomy better than I do, apparently. But I know the vacuum, and she's cute. And she's easy to get in those spaces where, we're cleaning up the car right now, and we have all that extra salt and dirt from the winter. And to be able to get in there, or to be able to get in the crevices of the console, or in the crevices of the car seats or the mats, we're able to do so effortlessly and easily, and just get to those messes, whether it's just in the kitchen, in the living room, in the bedroom. This is easy and convenient to fit into the tiniest spaces, the tiniest little compartments or drawers. The duck's gonna get to work on cleaning up those messes, and you're gonna have so much fun doing it.
And whether we like it or not, the mess happens every single day. And this is something that you don't have to lug out that big vacuum.
That's right.
If you have downsized, if you have someone who's living in a dorm, this is something that you can pick up, or just a smaller space, and have at the ready. It will fit in your drawer,
That's
basically.
Right. Yep.
So if you do have those spills, the oopsie doopsies, this is something you can pull right out, get that instant clean without having to stress. And it's at an incredible price of $39.98, where you would see this elsewhere for close to $60. We have it for less than that, and that free shipping and handling to try this. You have that 30-day return policy. Try it out, no questions asked, no risk. But once you see this portable clean that you can have really anywhere, it's truly it's a game changer, and it's also really, really cute.
It is really, really cute. And to be able to charge it on the go, keep it charged, whether it's in, my son, he's 10.
Okay.
He loves his little connectable building blocks.
Oh yeah.
Do you know those ones that when you step on, you don't think you're gonna make it till tomorrow? That's the end. He can use this to clean up those little tiny pieces as well, and it makes the job of cleaning up after playtime for that kind of activity a breeze as well, and a lot of fun. It also makes it fun for cleaning up after craft time, or after those little late night snacks, maybe in bed or on the sofa, getting in the corners where that pet hair tends to collect, or when the pets leave that little extra mess on the bed, or wherever it would be, because we have the crevice tool. Maybe they like to make a little extra spill with their food, or the crumbs like we talked about on the keyboard, to get in and clean out around the dryer and the dryer vents, and get in there with that crevice tool, the tracks of our doors or our windows, all those little extra spaces that we have that are hard to get to. The duck is so compact, convenient, and easy to start cleaning up those
The duck is on
messes.
duty. This is going to be that great way. Maybe the kids will even clean with it.
That's right.
Our producer Jen said add a little couple googly eyes on here. You've got a new friend to really, really encourage that cleaning in the house.
Absolutely.
And you are getting this for $39.98, but you are not only getting the vacuum, you are getting that hose, you are getting the crevice tool, you are getting the brush, you are also getting a charging cable because this is rechargeable, and that bag. Now remind me of the runtime of this.
So I love this. So our official runtime is about 16 to 20 minutes on a full charge.
Okay.
However, because you're doing these like quick little cleanup messes, I've already gone out and have been running it for an hour plus easily, trying to clean up the car or different areas. So the runtime really does vary on, are you leaving it straight on the whole time or just doing those quick little cleanups? But we like to say officially like 20 minutes, but you're gonna get a quick, easy charge. It's a USB charging, so it's at USB-C on the end of the duck, and then it's the regular USB charging, so it'll work in most of your cars. It'll work in all your charging little bricks and blocks.
So
that
this
you have
takes
at
rid of
home.
my excuse saying that I can't clean my car.
That's
because
right.
I don't have anything to charge in there or keep in there, huh?
You got it. So
All
that
right.
now you have it, and it's there, and it's convenient, and you're going to work on all these messes.
$39.98 when I think of how much I just paid to get my car clean, to vacuum it out, and the time I spent. This is that great way to have that portable clean. It is versatile, it is efficient, and that mess happens every day.
It does.
We might as well get ahead of it. $39.98 when it should be closer to $60. Pick it up while you can with that free shipping and handling. It's not only powerful, but it is adorable. It's item number V86704. Megan, thank you so much for
Thanks,
bringing us
John.
such
Appreciate
a
you having
cute,
me.
efficient product.
It's fun.
It
That's
is
what we love about
the perfect easy solution.
It is.